Hi, I'm Pratibha Singh. I'm a recent graduate from Deakin University. I did my master in Health and Human Services Management here. Today, I'll be talking about how to get an internship or a volunteering experience. This thing you can use anywhere in Australia or abroad, or you can use it in your own country as well. Volunteering is very important to build up yourself as well as your resume, and it is highly regarded by everyone. And internships are a very novel way to get ahead of your peers and actually excel in the course that you actually want to study, or you have already studied, or you want experience in. So it is very essential that you have these two in your resume all the time. I'll give you an example of how I landed myself into a very nice internship in an organization that I was really wanting to work from last couple of years. So it was all about being out and talking to people about it. I'll just tell you how I did it. It was, I had no idea that I will get it, but I was always constant that this is something I really want. So I went and attended a seminar. In that seminar, I had a chance to communicate my ideas. Just when people are gathering, like minded people are gathering, you're supposed to go and talk about what you want, what they want, and you should go out and help them as well equally. So it's a give and take thing. So I talked to them about what I want to do in life, and they said, "Oh, you should actually try for some volunteering thing in the university itself. You have to have that experience." I said, "Okay, this if you say so, I'll do it." I went and did the same volunteering thing. It was a long volunteering hours and days. And during that volunteering thing, I had a chance to talk to one of my university's staff people. She was looking for somebody from the health background to actually go and talk to people about talk to the new students. And she asked all my background. And fortunately, before that, I had done a couple of things in my own, at my own time and in my own space. So I had told her that these are the things I have done. She said, "Will you be willing to talk to people?" I said, "Yeah, why not?" I was scared. I was really scared to go out and talk to people, but I did. From that, I moved on to giving a webinar about how my experience is. After that webinar, I was about again asked to talk to new students again. And in that, I got to know that there is an opening in a very good organization. And I was told that by my professors that your profile matches it. Go and apply. I did that. So it was all about sheer luck, not just sheer luck, but always about being present. So you can actually do that. Go out and talk to people. It will help. I hope my advice helps you to get into a volunteering or internship experience. It has definitely helped me. All this was from my own experience that I have shared. So I hope you get into what you want, and all the best.